let's get this day started, y'all. I'm so tired. Okay guys, so I am done getting ready for work. I'm about to leave. Yeah, I'm not ready for this day. I feel like I'm ready, but I'm not ready because I just want to be on holiday, to be quite honest with you. But yeah, so as you can see, I did my nude look and I've got the hair popping. Didn't take me so long to do the hair. Like I said, it's about 10-15 minutes. And yeah, so now I'm getting ready to get out the house and go grab a taxi, get to work. I have a few meetings today. So I have our weekly status, and then I have a meeting with a media partner, and then just normal work. But yeah, so that's how my day is going. I'll take you guys with me. I'm so excited. So the giveaway products arrive later on today, which is why I will only announce the giveaway later on when I come back from work, and you guys will get to open the package with me. So we'll do an unboxing together. And yeah, I'm super excited. I am so excited. It's my first giveaway, so as you can imagine, I'm like beyond the moon excited. When I wake up, I get ready, and then I take a moment and I just go step out into the balcony. I say my prayer, and then I leave and take a taxi to go to work. Yeah. The lift where I usually do my good morning videos. It goes a little something like this. Good morning, happy Wednesday guys. I hope you guys have a beautiful day, and yeah, super excited. It's the weekend tomorrow, so yeah, have a good day. That's how it usually goes. I'm about to go catch a taxi. I'm actually early for work today, which is great. So I'll be able to settle in before our first meeting of the day. The first people here. Like I said, I'm quite early today. This is my desk. It's my monitor, laptop, all my notebooks, and yeah, my little hand cream and my presents. This one's from Jen, this one's from Passant, Tristan, and Hazal. They're all from different countries. Good, thanks.
Did she bring your...
She was already in Dubai that day.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
It's fine. Naila is going to bring it.
By the way, maybe they can actually send to you.
Yeah, I told them that, but it's fine. Now Naila is going to Istanbul tomorrow. She's going to be staying at the same hotel.
Nice then. Same hotel?
Yeah.
Okay.
So she'll pick it up. First thing I do is come get some water, and then I go see this other girl that I know from the office.
Give me a warning first, please. Yeah,
so,
yeah, she's bam.
So basically all that her and I discuss these days is her wedding.
And I can't wait.
Yeah, I can't wait either. It's gonna be a party. You're so proud of yourself for what? For having a sore bum?
For having a sore bum, perhaps.
You're not even showing lips. I look so big. This shirt, I hate the shirts.
First of all, you're not this happy when you're at work. So I don't know why you're even
I'm
dancing.
always this happy.
No, she's lying. She's lying. Well, right now, I'm just working on this booty. I need a nice round-shaped booty.
For what? We're not even gonna see it in your dress, Akir. If you were wearing a see-through dress, then yes.
This is for you guys.
He already knows it.
He's gonna discover a new one. I hope he never sees this.
I was thinking that we're having our 9:30 meeting, but I noticed that everyone is not here. Then I remembered they went to the workshop.
The one at the W hotel.
Yeah. So I don't have my 9:30 meeting anymore. So I just have time to myself.
No, babes. You can go work.
Oh, Jonah Lefet. Yo. Hey. Good bird, guys. Good bird. And the same that time. Go for baby bird kangaka. I'm gonna be so cute at your wedding. I'm gonna be so cute. Even though I don't have a dress. Even if I go there wearing a pair of jeans, I'm still gonna look so cute. Yeah. Because Sna has organized me some great hair. Yeah, my hair plug organized me some great hair, and you know the makeup's gonna be popping. I need to get some lashes. I need like volume lashes. I need like when I step into the room, everyone's like, oh my gosh, is she about to just fly out of this room? Like every time I blink, I think so papa.
Yes, I want they're gonna turn black soon.
No, listen, it's gonna be so lit. Ready, babes. Ready. No. Okay, guys, see you again soon. We need to have some private conversation now. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Yo, guys. Really key. Look at that. So my meetings for the day are done, and now I will just be doing my normal work. I'm so hungry, guys. I'm super distracted. I don't know why I'm so distracted today. I think maybe it's because I'm vlogging, but yeah, I need to focus. Looking so cute. Actually, I need to go downstairs to get something to eat, and then I need to call my mom, and then come back and finish up my reports. See you in a bit. So I'm finally on my way home. It was so boring emsebenzini, guys. Akhonto yokwenza. So ndaqonda asan mandihambe ndigoduke. Taking the metro. So these days, instead of getting stuck in traffic, taking a cab or a taxi, I just walk to the metro, because then it's like 2 minutes and I'm home. There's no traffic. And I get a bit of exercise from this walk. So yeah, I'm so excited to get home and do the unboxing. That's gonna be the highlight of my day. Yeah, I'm almost at the metro station. Finally home, and I've got the package. I'm so excited. It's like I'm the one who's winning the prize, and yet I'm not. You are. Yes, you are. Anyway, let's get inside. I'm finally on my floor. It's so hot, guys. I'm literally sweating. The spot has the best lighting. It's right next to my door, and it has terrific lighting. But right now you can see that Ugel has had a long day. Okay guys, that brings us, sorry, my glasses are reflecting. That brings us to the end of my day in my life vlog. I'm totally exhausted, and yet I didn't even vlog like the whole day because there were times when I literally forgot to vlog. And then also this day wasn't that action-packed. So I have got the package that will be our giveaway. I got this package from Namshi, which is an online store here in the UAE. I am going to show you guys what will be in the giveaway. Oh, I love opening. Oh my gosh. Guys, I think I want to keep these things for myself. Yo. Oh, I opened it the wrong way. I'm so sorry to whoever's going to get this package. I literally just like opened it very bad. I'm going to have to repackage all of this stuff. So this is the first gift in the giveaway package. I'm giving away this satchel bag. Guys, this bag is so super cute. I swear I would keep it for myself if I didn't plan to give it to you guys. Or if I hadn't told you guys, I would actually keep it for myself. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. So it has the things, guys. I'm so tired. And then it's just an open like bag inside. It's so super cute. Oh my word, I love this. So it literally just arrived today. Yeah, so that is the first gift that is in the giveaway. It's from Ella. So it's a nice satchel bag that you can pair up. I decided to go for black because I feel like a black handbag is classic in a sense, because you can kind of fit it in with anything, with any outfit. And then the second item in my giveaway are these really cute makeup brushes. These are from Pink Cactus. I also bought them from Namshi. And I'm just gonna show you guys. I chose my favorite color. So my favorite color is blue. So I thought I'd choose blue makeup brushes for the winner. So this is what the brushes look like. So basically these are just for like a person who's beginning, like a beginner in the makeup game like me. So you have like some eyeshadow brushes, concealer brushes, foundation and powder brush. They are so cute. I love the handles. Oh, guys, I shouldn't have told you about this giveaway. I could have kept these for myself. Look at that. Is that not just totally adorbs? And they're so soft. So soft. Well, those are the 2 items that will be in my giveaway. To enter, of course, this giveaway is to celebrate my 300 subscribers on my channel. So to enter, all you need to do is subscribe to my channel or be subscribed to my channel. Comment down below on this video. You can comment with anything, doesn't really matter. So just comment, be subscribed, and then also follow me on one of my social media platforms. So I am on Instagram, Twitter, and I have a Facebook page. So you can choose which one of those you prefer to follow me on, because I know some people aren't on Instagram but they're on Facebook, so you can choose which one it is. I will choose the winner and I will announce it in one of my videos that will be coming soon as well. But yeah, guys, I really hope you enjoyed spending the day with me, in a sense. I really enjoyed making this video, even though I was just like super exhausted today, but I really enjoyed making this video, and I'm so super keen to be giving this these 2 products away to you guys, because you've really shown me major support, and reaching the 300 mark may not be a huge milestone or anything big for someone else, but it's big for me because you guys have really supported me and you're continuously doing so. I appreciate you, I love you guys, and I hope this token of appreciation that will be going to someone will show just how much I am actually dedicated to making this channel bigger, better, and just awesome. I love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and let me know what you think about my videos. So I'll put the details of the competition or giveaway in the description box, so do read it to make sure that you are complying with the rules, so that you don't get disappointed when you're not part of the giveaway. Love you guys. Bye.